everyone, we're going to find the height of each triangle and then find the area of each triangle. And so let's get started. We might try to use our Pythagorean triples if we can to find the height. So the first thing we're going to do is find the height. And we know this total length here is 16, so this is 8. So we're just going to look at this triangle here. So we know that we have 8 and 10. And so if you divide these by 2, you get 4 and 5. So it is a Pythagorean triple, and that would be 3, 4, 5, which was multiplied by 2. If you multiply 2 times 3, you get 6. So that would be this one right here. So our height is 6. Now when you do your area, you're going to do area equals 1/2 base times height. And when you take your base, you take this whole length of 18. If not, you would take the area of each side, each triangle, then add them up. So basically, we're going to get 1/2 of 16 times 6. And what you can do is you can just say, well, 1/2 of 16 is 8. So 8 times 6 is going to be 48 inches square, because you're doing area, you're multiplying. So it's going to be 48 inches squared. All right, for this one, this length here is 24. And looking at this, we have 51 for the hypotenuse and 24 for this length. So our height equals 45. It stems from this essential triple, and it was just multiplied by 3 to get this one. So the height is 45, and now we just take the area equals 1/2 base times height. So that's going to be equals 1/2, and you take the whole base, which is 48, and your height is 45. And again, I'm just going to take 1/2 of 48 first, which is 24 times 45. And then I will definitely use the calculator. And I get 24 times 45, and that gives you 1,080 meters squared. And the last one, the same thing. We're going to take half of this, which is 21. And there, it looks like it's right here. It comes from this one, which is multiplied by 3 to get this one. These are your multipliers. So basically, the height here is going to be 72. You have 21, 72, 75. So now when you do your area, you do 1/2 base times height. Take your whole base, this whole length, of 42 times 72. 1/2 of 42 is 21, and then you just multiply your 72, and then you can put that in the calculator. 21 times 72, and that's going to equal 1,512, or 1,512 feet squared. And that's it. Thank you. Have a nice day. Bye-bye.